You're looking for a top quality mandibular advancement device, but not sure which one is right for you? As a snoring expert, I'll present our current top 3 customer favorites, break down the pros and cons, and tell you exactly which device suits your needs best. Here are our current top 3 picks: SomnoPax Guard Standard and SomnoPax Guard Large. I'll tell you about the difference in a second. SomnoGuard AP2 and the SomnoFit. Let's start with our number 1 bestseller, the SomnoPax Guard. There's been a crucial update since 2023. The SomnoPax Guard now comes in 2 different sizes: standard for small to average size jaws and large for bigger jaws. Previously there was only one size available, the SomnoPax Guard S, which is now called standard. Why does this matter? Well, also people with larger jaws can now benefit from the SomnoPax Guard technology, which wasn't possible before. What makes this technology special? The SomnoPax Guard devices feature an ultra-slim design, making them exceptionally comfortable to wear. They are constructed using 2 different types of plastic: a hard component, white-colored, for the frame, and a soft heat-mouldable material. The device acts in pressure distribution and offers excellent stability thanks to its dual material construction. Being a 2-piece device, they allow for good lateral jaw movement, which is really crucial for superior comfort. However, for people with shorter teeth, for instance due to bruxism, the device might fit too loosely or even slip off the dental arch. The manufacturer has developed a version with additional filling material for these cases, which SomnoPax Guard users can currently receive free of charge from our customer service. Price-wise, at around £120, it's definitely in the premium segment. The second device, the SomnoGuard AP2, has proven itself in the UK market for many years and is well known among ENT specialists. It costs about £130, but is built quite differently. It features an extra wide white channel at the back in the molar area. You can see this when comparing it to the SomnoPax Guard. This makes it particularly suitable for larger jaws. The direct comparison also shows that this mandibular advancement device uses much more material, making it especially robust. However, for smaller and medium-sized jaws, this bulk of material results in reduced comfort, particularly compared to the SomnoPax Guard Standard or Large. Another major difference is the advancement system. While SomnoPax Guard uses a set of 8 bands, SomnoGuard AP2 employs a screw system for continuous adjustment. It's a nice feature, though in practice I find millimeter step adjustments quite sufficient. More important is lateral jaw joint mobility, which is excellent in both the SomnoPax Guard and the SomnoGuard AP2. This is crucial for preventing jaw joint pain that can occur with rigid fixation. The third device is the SomnoFit. It's based on the technology that preceded the SomnoPax Guard. It also uses a strip system, 6 strips that allow for advancement of 3 to 10 millimeters. So the SomnoFit's width falls between the SomnoPax Guard Standard and Large, making it suitable for most jaw sizes. It's a robust and reliable mandibular advancement device that also offers good lateral movement. However, comfort-wise, it's not quite as good as the SomnoPax Guard due to using significantly more material, which is evident when comparing the 2 devices directly. On the plus side, it's considerably cheaper than the SomnoPax Guard, costing around only £65. So, to wrap it up, for those seeking an exceptionally comfortable and effective mandibular advancement device, I'd recommend the SomnoPax Guard, especially now with 2 size options, standard and large. If you're looking for an affordable entry-level device that still offers decent comfort, the SomnoFit is a good choice. And for those with larger teeth who need a particularly robust mandibular advancement device, especially if you suffer from bruxism, I'd recommend the SomnoGuard AP2. I'll now show you a quick comparison table with all the essential data for these devices. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up And if you'd like to see more videos about snoring, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks!